Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make honey crullers. These are donuts made from a choux pastry which puffs up when fried so they are light and airy inside. To get started, add half a cup of butter, half a cup of water, half a cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt to a medium saucepan. Turn the heat to high until this mixture is boiling. Then turn the heat to low and sift in 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Mix with a spoon until combined and continue mixing for 2 to 3 minutes. This will get rid of extra moisture in the dough so it will puff up when fried. Now add the dough to the stand mixer and using a paddle attachment, mix for a couple of minutes to help cool it down. We'll be adding 4 eggs to this, one at a time. Don't add the next egg until it's fully incorporated into the dough. And be sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl as you go. Add a large star tip to a piping bag and fill it with the choux paste. Try not to get any air bubbles while filling. Scraping the batter with a bench scraper will help with this. Let the batter cool down either in the fridge or at room temperature before piping the donuts. Cut out squares of parchment paper and add them to a lightly greased baking sheet. Pipe an even circle of dough onto the square, making the ends meet and connect. You can make these the size of a traditional donut or mini-sized. If you make the size I did, you should get around 15 donuts. Heat the fryer to 350. When the oil has reached 350, place each donut with the parchment paper into the oil 1 or 2 at a time, depending on how many fit in your fryer. Take off the parchment paper once it has lifted on its own. Fry the donuts until it's golden brown, then flip to cook the other side. They will puff up. Drain and cool donuts on a wire rack, and continue until all donuts are fried. To make the glaze, add 1 cup of icing sugar to a bowl, along with 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Give it a mix with a whisk and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk or as needed to get the consistency you like. You want it to be running off the whisk like this. Now dip each donut into the glaze until all donuts are covered. And that's it! They should be very light and airy on the inside with holes throughout. The texture is what makes these donuts so great. Try and eat just 1 at a time. I don't think it's possible. Like I'm actually addicted and have to eat 4 at a time. I love them that much. So stop buying these from the bakeries and make them yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!